Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I wanted to do a little bit different and actually show you guys some new makeup, either makeup that I've bought or makeup that has been sent to me in PR, and these are products that have launched within either the month of October or are launching within the next month or so. If you guys want to see some new makeup that I don't have a lot, but I still wanted to share these with you guys, then go ahead and keep on watching. Do you guys like my little setup? I added a cute little like blanket and some throw pillows, and then I got two little rose floral things. I don't know, my room just needed a little bit more of a vamp up. The first thing that I wanted to show you guys is a new launch by LA Girl Cosmetics. If you guys don't know who LA Girl Cosmetics is, they are a super affordable drugstore brand. They have amazing products, from like foundations to powders, concealers to eyeshadows. They have a whole bunch of stuff. So I got this scent, I think it was actually in the month of September, but I just haven't touched it. And they released a whole bunch of new glitter magic lip colors. If you guys are familiar with, I think it's the brand Catrice, I believe, they came out with liquid lipsticks that every time you go like this to your lips, pretty much you get like an explosion of glitter, and that's what this is. It is a liquid lipstick, but once you rub your lips together, you will have glitter on your lips. Also, the packaging on the actual product is really pretty. It has a gold glitter handle, just like the little bolsita. Also, if you guys want to do like stocking stuffers, these would do really well at that. I kind of don't want to open them and swatch them all because I personally don't like glitter lips. So I am thinking that I'm going to give this to somebody else because I'm not going to get any use out of it. This is also a new release. This is the Proenza X. Oh, I am not even going to pronounce that name, but this is the Chroma 2008 Fall Collection, and this is what it looks like. So here you have a little eye palette. So you get this little eyeshadow palette, which comes with really pretty like rosy colors, mauve colors. It comes with some pretty blues and then a little bit of a vanilla shade in there. Here at the bottom we have two lip colors, which are really pretty, and then on the other side it comes with a gloss. The collection also includes these two. These are like ginormous, what are they called? Kajal eye pencils. So this one is a black, which you can use as a base for like a black smoky eye. You can use it on your waterline, and this one is also a Kajal pencil, and this one is more of a cool tone taupey gray. I don't know that I'll actually use any of these. I've never tried any Lancome eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, I usually gravitate towards their skincare more, not really their makeup. Another part of the collection obviously is this lipstick in the number 111. It doesn't have a name, unfortunately, but it's a really pretty deep burgundy. Well, it's actually more like a deep raspberry. Don't see myself really using this collection, so I might have to hold on to it. And then this other one, this one is really pretty. This is in the shade 106. There's not much color. It's more like a sheer lip balm. You guys see that? It's pretty, but again, don't see myself using it. I recently got this little Hollywood Iconic Beauty Los Angeles eyeshadow palettes. Iconic Beauty. I'm not sure of this brand. Oh, but you know what? Looking at this eyeshadow palette, it is very similar to the Huda Beauty the Rose Gold palette. I already have a palette that is very similar to hers. I used to have hers. I gave it away. I kept one that is a dupe, and now I have this one. Again, I'm not sure what the brand is, Iconic Beauty Los Angeles, but it's a cute palette. I already have one, so I am going to put this in my giveaway pile and just pass it on to one of you. I know that I've mentioned this eyeshadow palette before, but I really wanted to mention again because it is a new brand that I just found out about, and the quality on this eyeshadow palette is really good. This is by the brand Moira. It is the Unravel Destiny Eye and Face Palette, which looks like this. The eyeshadow pans are pretty big if you ask me, and then it comes with a whole bunch of highlighters. The products, the eyeshadows are so creamy. They're so blendable and they're so pigmented. I really, really like this palette. I almost wish that it had a little bit more of pops of color in there because I feel like, I don't know, like it needs it, you know, but it is a very pretty everyday neutral warm palette that you can just easily gravitate towards and create so many looks with all these eyeshadows. Ooh, I just dropped one. I only have 2 more products to share with you guys. I'm sorry that this video was so short. I just want to start showing you guys new makeup that is coming in because sometimes it tends to just sit and sit and sit in my makeup drawers and then they never get touched. Okay, now that I'm looking at this palette, it kind of reminds me of the Tarte's, I think it's a contour and highlight palette. I don't remember what it's called. This is the J.Cat Symphony Face Obsession Highlight Contour and Bronzer Palette number 2. I love J.Cat. You guys know that I'm always raving about them. They are such an underrated brand and they're super, super affordable. So this is what it looks like. Again, it reminds me a lot of the Tarte where you have your highlighting shades and then your contouring shades. I haven't tried this one, but I'm thinking of maybe doing a try on with some new products because this looks pretty promising. Should we swatch? Okay. It is pigmented. It's a little more on the dry side as far as like the formula, but the pigment is there. Look at this gold one. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I am excited to try this. The last little palette that I have to show you guys is new by Ciate London. This is the Glitter Storm palettes. Oh, look at this packaging. So the glitter, that is so cute. I have tried this one already once and wow, the colors are pigmented. It comes with three glittery shades which are really, really pretty, and then all these matte shades are so creamy, you guys. Oh my god. I haven't tried a whole bunch of products from this brand, but I can tell you that this palette is bomb diggity, especially if you like purple burgundy shades. This is one. I totally lied. I have some more products. If you guys are hella ballin' on a budget, you guys really need to check out LA Colors. LA Colors is actually sisters to LA Girl Cosmetics, which I love both of their brands. The LA Colors brand though recently released liquid eyeliner collection. Now these liquid eyeliners are beautifully made in chrome, matte, and holographic finishes. The fine tip brush is perfect for precise and bold lining to create a glamorous eye look. I'm gonna swatch the matte eyeliners for you guys really quick. Okay, so I swatched all the eyeliners for you guys. They all look very promising. I am so excited. If you guys want to see tutorials with any of these, let me know. So these are the holographic ones. I was sketchy about those, but they swatched so nicely. And then all these are the chrome and the matte ones. This time, these are the last products. This is by LA Girl. They're glowing up highlighting jelly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new shades. Most of them are crazy. I'm probably gonna keep 1, maybe 2, because all of these are a little intense. This one is called Pixie Glow. Yeah. And again, I don't want to open them and swatch them for you guys. I'm sorry if you guys want to see swatches, but I'd rather save these for you, for the ones that actually like these kinds of highlighters, and pass them on over to you. Because once they are open and swatched, I do not like to do any giveaways with any touched makeup. It's just, I don't know. I'm trying to decide which one I want to keep. I might keep both of these. This one is called Glow Getter and this one is called Halo Glow. So I am going to swatch these for you guys so you can see what they kind of look like. So that is the jelly consistency. It doesn't look too jelly yet. Ooh, there it is. I just dug my finger. That is the jelly formula right there. Honestly, I'm not seeing much of a highlight. I'm seeing more of glitter showing up. So I swatched the other one, and I think this is a shade that I'm actually going to keep. And I thought I wasn't going to like this one, so there you go. I'm pretty sure that's it this time. Those are all the products that I wanted to share with you guys. These are new makeup releases that were either sent to me or that I have bought with my own moolah. If you guys want to see more hauls like these, let me know, and I will try to gather more things and then do hauls. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!